Real hip hop. Shout out to the 5-foot assassin.
Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario? Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo.
Real hip hop.
So what's the scenario?
Hey yo, Bo knows this and Bo knows that, but Bo don't know jack, cause Bo can't rap. What do you know? The Didonk is the first up the bat. No batteries included and no strings attached. No hold bar, no time for move faking. Got to bring home the loot so I can bring home the bacon. Brothers front, they say the try can't flow, but we've been known to do the impossible like Broadway Joe. So sleep if you want, NyQuil will help you get your Z's troop. But here's the real scoop. Let's go. I'm all that and then some. Short, dark, and handsome. Bust a eye inside your eye to show you where I come from. I'm vexed, fuming. I headed up the hill. My days of paying dues are over. Acknowledge me is in there. Head for the border. Go get your taco. Watch me wreck it from the jump street. Meaning from the get-go. Sit back, relax, and let yourself go. Don't sweat what you heard, but act like you know. We're gonna keep it going. This is my tribute to one of the realest MCs, R.I.P. Phife Dawg from Tribe Called Quest. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, microphone check, 1, 2, what is this? The 5-foot assassin with the roughneck business. I float like gravity, never have a cavity. I got more rhymes than the wine has got family. No need to sweat, I'll send you to gain some type of fame. No shame in my game, cause I always remain to be the same. Styles upon the styles is what I have. You wanna diss the Phife, but you still don't know the half. I sport New Balance sneakers to avoid a narrow path. Messing around, you can catch the size of them. I never half step, cause I'm not a half stepper. Drink a lot of soda and they call me Dr. Pepper. Refuse to compete, we BS competition. Your name ain't special ed, so won't you suckle with the mission? I never walk the street thinking it's all about me. Even though deep in my heart, it really could be. I just try to be the best, like all out. Some might even say, shorty, you're bugging out. R.I.P. to Phife Dawg, ATCQ forever. This is real hip hop. And if you don't like real hip hop, guess what? You're bugging out. What y'all young bucks know about this? Y'all don't even rap no more. Shout out to my true hip hop heads. Let's go. We in here. The light speaker. ATCQ forever. Big shout out to my man C. Farhart. Big Juice. Will Last. Last of the Productions. Great Hall. ER Films. Also, Nary the producer. Keep making those beats. Don't sleep on us. Cackalack, we in here. This is real hip hop. Indeed. R.I.P. to Phife Dawg, the 5-foot assassin.